short film is brought to you by KBP. Kapisanan ng mga brown skin sa Pilipinas.
It's the most wonderful time of the year. Oh my God, I'm so excited. 3 months to go and it's gonna be Halloween. Oh my God. I am going to come in as a vampire.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
You can be an Anne Rice vampire and I can be a Twilight vampire.
Oh my God.
And I'd go as someone from
That is so brilliant. Oh my gosh. I'm so like Suya Bells. Like, you know, you don't have to make Gus to carry, you know? Oh my gosh, you can just be like yourself. Like a ghost!
Yes! Oh my God, that's so smart.
brilliant.
And then we can all go together.
Is that really like your dress or did you borrow from someone else, like your ghosty friend?
Oh my God, this is so fun. Yeah.
Hello? Yeah. Yeah, okay. Yeah, alright. Okay, I'll be there. Fine. Where's the game?
Hi, Direk.
Okay, so shall we start? Okay, ang schedule sa atong cast, okay na po for tomorrow. And yung wardrobe... I am confidence. I am consistency inside and out. I am beauty. I is queen. Yas girl. Da.
I am
Pax browning. Feminine wash.
Ilaw!
Yes, direct. Ay, yes, direct.
Basta yung maliwanag, naubusan na tayo ng ilaw.
Okay, sige po. I'm on it. Bounce ko na lang po. Kring. Kring.
Yeah?
Alisa. Luhod sa. Oo, luhod. Ano. Butang sa ibutang. Atubang lang ka dito sa subject. Kring, ha? Okay. Yan po, direct. Kulang. Hangad. Ayan po, direct.
Kulang pa!
Misi. Dupa. Ana. Tubang. Ayan po. Ang mata. Ana. Yan po.
Dimmer, masyadong maliwanag.
Sige. Gamay. Yan po.
Game.
Ayan.
Sige, roll.
Okay, quiet on set!
ay asa man ko yawiha ay di apay na lang yun. Kasabaan na sa ko sa mama ani. Di na lagi ko sa alay. Day! Kana alisa daw alisa. Ha? Kadut lang yun. Kinangita ako sa akong yawi. Ambot na lang yun kong asa. Nakaya pa ka kaysa akong cellphone. Duol. Gamay lang yun. Duol pa yun. Kana. Ayun! Salamat kay Day. Tungod ni mo nakita na akong yawi. Ayan, gani mo eh. Salamat.
Pat, go brown. Pat, go brown. Sunkissed pa rin mga ulol. Sunkissed pa rin mga ulol. Get that golden glow with Pax browning soap. It contains the essence of theobroma cacao, L-tyrosine, melanin, and the core being of your pre-Hispanic ancestors, making you a gorgeously natural bronze goddess in just one week.
Only Pax browns my skin. Who browns yours?
Don't be a fleshy ghost. Look naturally alive. Brown ni ma'am?
Kay nga no, kay puti ko gusto ko magpa-brown ni Neng. Ha? Kadaghan gyud kay mo mga tao inana na gyud for me. Kay kanay yung mga notions of beauty ba of what beauty
ma'am.
should and should not be. Tanan na sa social construct na tanan. Tanawa ra gud ni.
Ayaw, ma'am.
Inilo ko for me
Ma'am.
kay naon. Ngano man mo, tan mga brown skin people ba palagi from bukod jud kaayo. Wala gyud pa mahimo. Natanan opportunities pa ino pagid sa inyo. Sorry, my imposition society. Di na ako ka-function.
Okay, ma'am. Kasi yung kwento ni Mami noon, pinaglihi daw niya ako sa singkamas. So that's why it was very hard for me growing up really fair-skinned. I'd be bullied, people would laugh at me, sometimes would use my reflector for school shoots, yung ganon. Tapos I was such a shy child, I'd be a wallflower, like literally, especially pag puti yung walls. Minsan nga napinturahan ako kasi hindi ako nakita nung nagpe-paint sa school. I've always loved being a performer ever since I was a kid. I started really young, but the roles that I would get are yung angel sa nativity scene or yung ghost ng tatay ni Hamlet. So I was very limited as an artist when I was younger. And when I jumped into the industry, it was even more challenging. One thing that I will never forget is when someone said she's never going to pack ganun. But I'm here and I persevered and I started taking care of myself and I started using packs. Tapos biglang dumami yung offers ko. I even got a role for this movie called Patay na si Jesus. And you know, I learned that if you just really love yourself, you find that inner glow that you can shine to people.
My morena, girl, my morena, girl, my morena, my morena, girl, my morena. Mauning akong kanta.
Lahat tayo may ipapakganon pa. And that's the God's promise.
And cut hair!
Thanks. I noticed your energy is really low. What's wrong? Can you eat? Recently I don't feel like I belong. I know how you feel. I once felt like that.
Yeah?
Yeah. But you know, in life, sometimes, there are situations na wala na kita yung hands. But, if naa ka yung hands, kung ganahan dyan ka, i-hands na siya. You hands it na. Because, you know, the universe does not judge. Only people do. And so, you have to find that inner light in you. Find your inner peace so that you can find the real glow from the real you. You find it also because nanubra na ka sa outer glow.
Nakadawat na ka sa GC?
Wala pa.
GC sa pa sa kuha ko sa. Sige, ato sa kayo mo. Gusto mo sa kasaban na. Bye.
Okay. Bye. Salamat.